present to you the Continental 737 NG by NG Models. The box design is solid and makes good use of Continental colors and brand elements. The livery looks great. I really like the Continental colors, but for some reason, the United Merchant livery never really appealed as much to me. Perhaps it's because it's not as original, or maybe I'm just salty that the tulip went away. I scrutinized this model very closely by comparing it to real-life photos, and I couldn't find any faults. All of the little numbers, markings, and bits seem to be in the right spots. The gear are intricate and do, in fact, roll. The SkyTeam logo is rendered well, detailed beyond what can be seen by the naked eye. The one difference I caught was that the gold on the fuselage and tail is not supposed to be quite so shiny, but this could arguably be a bonus feature. I was surprised to discover that the underside of the fuselage has silver patches. This is accurate, according to photos from the internet. I suspect that the underbelly is left unpainted to save some fuel and some money. This airframe is still in service with United, or at least it was until coronavirus happened. This model has a good degree of both precision and accuracy, so I'd recommend it to anyone interested in a more retro model. Would it be called retro now? Continental isn't around anymore, so I guess so. The first picture of a plane that I ever took was actually of a Continental 737. The lighting wasn't great, but with a little editing, it looks much better.